What's your name?
My name is Rokoma Promise.
Will you tell us what happened yesterday?
What happened yesterday is that when we are coming back from town, getting to this Omuechi, this training center, some gunmen they attacked us in our vehicle, start shooting us inside when we are inside the vehicle. Don't know them, we will not see anybody. But what we are seeing is gunshots everywhere. They scattered the motor everywhere. I had an injury. You can see the injury with me. So that's what happened yesterday.
Do you suspect anybody? Do you have any problem with her?
I don't have any problem with anybody. For me, for my own self, I don't have problem with anybody. But I know he's my elder brother, so he said I should come and follow him to town yesterday. That I want to go and do something after doing what he finished doing yesterday. So as we are coming back, I had an attack. For me, for my own self, I don't have problem with anybody.
So, Rhino cannot speak.
Yes, cannot speak now. He's the condition he is now is very critical.